My name is Greg Nance. I am the Mission Experience Manager with Catawba Riverkeeper. Catawba Riverkeeper is an environmental nonprofit whose mission is to protect and preserve the waters of the Catawba-Wateree River Basin. So right now we are at Riverwalk Park, which is part of a 30-mile free-flowing section of the Catawba. It's the longest undammed section on the Catawba River. This is the most popular tubing destination around Rock Hill area. This is such a great spot for paddling and tubing because along this stretch of the river from where we are now down to the end of the Catawba, there's a little bit of everything. You've got cypress forest and Tupelo swamps down at the bottom. And up here, you've got these gentle free-flowing sections. And then once you get down to Great Falls, you've got class 2 and 3 to 3 and 4 whitewater. It's got a little bit of something for everyone. Something that makes the Catawba River unique is how you can feel completely remote and in the wilderness in some areas, and in others, you can pull right up and go grab lunch and go shopping or hike on a greenway. So I love that, it has both of those extremes. For those looking for adventure in the Old English District, come out to the Catawba River. Paddle, hike, explore, however you go, adventure is waiting for you in the Old English District.